SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, the highest number amongst root 2, cube root of 3 and 4 to the power 1 by 4 is, so we know root 2 is 1.414, cube root of 3 is 1.442 and 4 to the power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 to the power 2 by 4, or 2 to the power half is equal to root 2. Therefore, cube root of 3 greater than is equal to root 2 is equal to 4 to the power 1 by 4. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. The next question is, in an MBA entrance examination, a minimum is to be secured in each of the 6 sections to qualify the cutoffs. In how many ways can a candidate fail to secure the cutoffs? Now, there are only 2 ways for a section: pass or fail. So, for 6 sections, there are 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64 ways. Now, to secure the cutoffs, there is only one way to pass. So, number of ways of failing is equal to 64 minus 1 is equal to 63. That is option D. The next question is, the sum of 4 plus 44 plus 444 up to n terms is, let this be S. So S is equal to 4 into 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to n terms. So this is 4 by 9, 9 plus 99 plus 999, and this goes on. So this is 4 by 9, 10 minus 1 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1, and this goes on. 4 by 9, 10 minus 1 plus 10 squared minus 1 plus 10 cube minus 1. It goes on. So 4 by 9, 10 plus 10 squared plus 10 cube, and this goes on, and minus 1 n times, so minus n. Now this is a finite GP series, so its sum is, now sum of finite GP series is a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So we get first term 10 into 10 to the power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1 and minus n. So this becomes 4 by 9 into 10 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus n. So that is 40 by 81, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus 4 by 9n. So the correct option is option C.